I don't know, a big mystery, I guess you can say. And it has not been very fun trying to solve it. But yeah, so I did look through the forums, so hopefully I did finally find the one that'll work for it. But a lot of people were saying they were using these different types of microphones. Of the bike because my water pump is leaking, and no, I did not almost get hit by the bus, but yeah, my water pump is leaking, and it's been getting to some pretty outrageous temps that I shouldn't even be on this thing at. I know the other night I saw it hit 250, so yeah, water pump will be here, should be either today or tomorrow, should go on maybe Wednesday night, and doing a coolant flush, changing out the clutch, and the maintenance should all be caught up, also doing an oil change as well. But yeah, I've been slowly getting her back together, and it's been fun so far. It's been fun because when I do get it back, or get it to a good state, it runs great. But when it's having problems like it is now, it's starting to climb up in temp, so I definitely have to go down to the next section. But like it is now, it's fine trying to figure out what's going on with it. But I don't wanna break it or anything, so yeah, it's just gonna be to working home for the next few days, and then I don't know, when I get that water pump on, I'd like to start taking longer trips, because I never really take it anywhere, and I'd like to really start taking it out, and you know, going on the rides that it was meant to be on, instead of just around the city. I mean, as fun as the city is, and you know, the freeways, the 215, anyone knows about the 215? that, or the Go or the mic adapter. I guess the software on the GoPro in the early stages weren't it wasn't prepared for the GoPro mic adapter. So they had to update the software so that the adapter actually worked. Some people are still having trouble with the microphones actually work. That's what you call a window roller rubber. Done. Yeah, I need to get on the freeway ASAP. I'm sitting at 205 from 170 is usually where I'm at with the water pump leak. But once I get on the freeway, I'll probably end the video. But I just wanted to give you guys an update again, you know, with what's going on with the microphone and what's going on with the bike, how it's doing. Oh, also, and the entire thing with the, I guess, YouTube policies and the laws where I live. You know, obviously I live in Vegas, so they passed that new law. If you watch the other video, you would see that they passed a law that recording wheelies and publishing them is now a criminal offense. So if you publish it or you record it and publish it, you can be prosecuted. It is a crime. So yeah, the style of uploads that you'll be seeing from this channel is gonna be because I would like to show you this. I know, of course, there's gonna be those people out there that are like, oh, you know, your content's boring or this or whatever. I'm still gonna keep going. I'm just posting what I do, you know, in my daily life. And that's really all thanks to a bunch of my friends, honestly. Doesn't look like there's a bunch of traffic. I'm gonna end up going.